Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Vera. In case this is your first time here, please consider subscribing because we talk beauty, skincare, both DIYs and already made products. We review products. We talk lifestyle, health, a little bit of everything. And please turn your notification on after subscribing so you can be notified once I upload new videos. So, just as the title said, we're going to be making a DIY youthful skin facial mask. That's 50 years looking 30. So stay tuned. You're welcome back. I just don't want this video to be too long, so we're gonna jump right into it. And while I'm making it, I'm going to tell you the benefits of all the ingredients that we're going to use. Okay, so come with me. So the main ingredient that we'll use today for this mask is a ripe banana. Banana is so good on the skin that you can mash up a medium-sized ripe banana into a smooth paste and gently apply it to your face and neck, and you'll be fine. But today we're going to add some other ingredients, and please note that you can use more or less ingredients that I'm using depending on the quantity that you want to make. I try not to make so much and store in the fridge. I just make enough for a day or two, and then whenever that I need, I make a fresh one. So feel free to use more or less. Bananas are packed with ingredients for great skin. It has vitamin A to fade dark spots and blemishes and smooths out rough skin. It has vitamin B to reduce dryness. It has vitamin E to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and potassium to moisturize and hydrate. So the fruit makes a perfect all-natural homemade face mask that leaves skin looking younger and feeling softer. The next thing that I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Then mix it together. Then the next thing that I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon honey, which is a natural acne remedy, and then we'll mix them together. There you have it, it's all done. I'm going to show you how to use it to achieve the desired results. So take enough portion and apply on your face and your neck. Just keep rubbing it gently on your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before you wash it off. Okay, you're going to see how good and soft and smooth that your skin is going to feel and look. Okay, you will see the difference when I wash mine off. I'm telling you, in just 5 minutes, not to talk of when you leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. You're gonna love your skin. As you can see, there's a difference in just 5 minutes. I'm telling you, you're going to love this mask. Just make sure to try it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something today. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you tried this remedy, please leave me a comment. Tell me your experience. Also, I would like to know what kind of video you guys want me to make next. Well, it will really help me to know how I can help, okay? Thank you all so much for your support. Please subscribe if you have not, like and share this video, send to your friends and loved ones, and don't forget to turn your notification on. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Let's be friends, okay? It's still the same name at Verac Beauty. And also watch my videos if you come across them. I have some of the links to some of my videos in my description box. Please check them out, okay? Support your girl. All right, take care of you, show more kindness wherever you are, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.